Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we show how to play games while listening to music. So let's start. There are many ways to do it, but I recommend you one app that probably you know, and this app is called Spotify. Spotify will help you to listen to music while you're playing. This is an app completely free, you can download. However, I recommend you to subscribe to the premium way, that is this one. Why? Because sincerely, when in this account I don't have premium plan, but in another account I have it and I can play games without any problem. So I don't know if it's necessary to be premium or not to listening music. So I recommend you to download the Spotify. Try to play music if you are not premium member, and try to play at the same time. If you can do it, well, it's not necessary to have the premium account, as you can see, but if you can't, I recommend you to pay the premium account and then try to play once again. So that's just how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.